Welcome back to AdaptiVids, and I'm thrilled to have you here with us today. In this video, we're diving headfirst into an exciting adventure. So if you are interested in demystifying blockchain technology, you have come to the right place. We've got some incredible insights, practical tips, and a lot of fun lined up for you. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our future explorations. Let's get started. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that enables secure, transparent, and tamper-resistant recording of transactions across a network of computers. It was originally created to underpin cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but its applications have since expanded far beyond digital currencies. Here's an overview of what blockchain is, its uses, and its benefits. What is blockchain? A blockchain is a decentralized database that consists of a chain of blocks, with each block containing a list of transactions. Transactions are recorded in chronological order, and each new block contains a reference to the previous one, forming a continuous chain. Uses of blockchain. Number 1. Cryptocurrencies. The most well-known application of blockchain technology is in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, where it serves as a public ledger for recording and verifying digital transactions. Number 2. Smart contracts. Blockchain can be used to create self-executing smart contracts that automatically enforce and execute agreements when predefined conditions are met. Number 3. Supply chain management. Blockchain can improve transparency and traceability in supply chains by recording the movement of and origin of goods, helping to reduce fraud and errors. Number 4. Identity verification. It can provide a secure and immutable way to manage digital identities, reducing the risk of identity theft. Number 5. Healthcare. It can secure patient records and streamline data sharing among healthcare providers, improving patient care and data accuracy. Number 6. Real estate. Blockchain can simplify property transactions, reduce fraud, and improve the transparency of land and property records. Number 7. Financial services. It can facilitate cross-border payments, reduce fraud in financial transactions, and make settlement processes more efficient. Number 8. Digital assets. Blockchain can represent ownership of various digital assets, such as digital art, collectibles, and in-game items. Benefits of blockchain. Number 1. Security. Transactions are cryptographically secured and stored across a network, making it extremely difficult to alter or hack the data. Number 2. Transparency. All participants in the network can view the same data, promoting trust and accountability. Number 3. Immutability. Once data is added to a blockchain, it cannot be easily modified or deleted, ensuring a reliable historical record. Number 4. Decentralization. Blockchain operates on a distributed network, eliminating the need for a central authority or intermediaries, reducing the risk of a single point of failure. Number 5. Efficiency. Smart contracts automate many processes, reducing the need for intermediaries, streamlining operations, and potentially lowering costs. Number 6. Reduced fraud. Blockchain's transparency and immutability make it a powerful tool for combating fraud and ensuring the integrity of data and transactions. Number 7. Trust. Blockchain builds trust among participants, who might not trust each other but trust the technology itself. While blockchain has many benefits, it's not without its challenges, including scalability issues, energy consumption, and regulatory concerns. Nevertheless, it continues to evolve and find applications in various industries, offering potential solutions to complex problems. And that's a wrap on today's adventure in the world of demystifying blockchain technology. I hope you enjoyed the journey as much as I did. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, please show some love by smashing that like button. Your support means the world to us, and it keeps us motivated to create more fantastic content for you.